What if your wife earns more than you? What would you do? This is a critical question that requires an answer, and here's the answer. The answer lies in the understanding of what marriage is. Number one, what is even marriage? Marriage is an institution that has two offices. The first office is the office of the president and the office of the vice president. The office of the vice president answers to the office of the president. So this means that there are two offices in a marriage relationship: the office of the husband and the office of the wife. The office of the wife answers the office of the president or the office of the husband. Let's look at it. Assuming that you have a drunkard who is the president and you have a sane PhD holder who is the vice president, does the qualification of the PhD holder as the vice president make him not answerable to the office of the president, even with him being a drunkard? No, because his office comes with his responsibilities and obligations. So it is the responsibility and the obligation of the vice president to answer to the president, no matter who is filling the office of the president. So the woman is an office, the wife is an office, and the husband is an office. So whoever that fills the office answers to the office. So if the wife earns more than the husband, she also has to understand that the husband is an office that she has to respond and submit to, and it is her choice. She chose who to fill the office with. Do you understand? So if you go and take a drunkard and make him the president of a nation, the person will still have their ADC, the person will still have their rights and privileges. This drunkard will still be guarded by mobile police. Every privileges and rights of a president, this drunkard will have it, no matter the infirmity, no matter the weaknesses he has in his character. Okay, so if you understand this from the legal term of marriage, you understand that's why the woman has the first right of choice to choose who she will fill this office with. So, and a woman any more than a man does not in any way mean that the man is less of himself. It just means that the man has to understand this office. Apart from the rights and the privileges that include that the wife should submit to you, there is something you need to proffer as the office or from the office of the husband. And what is that? Vision. If you must be the leader, if your wife must submit to you, you must be the leader. Submission just really means followership. You don't follow anybody, you follow leaders. So you have to automatically become a leader. And for you to be a leader, it's not the amount of money that you're making that makes you the leader. It's the vision in your heart that makes you the leader. You provide the vision for your home, and then the wife offers followership. So the challenge is not just that the wife is any more than you. The challenge is that you don't understand the rights and privileges that come with the office of the husband that you occupy, and the duties that come, because you can't take the rights and privileges and leave out the duties of the office of the husband. And one of the duties is to offer vision. I told you a story on how my husband told me that I would not work, right? And then I'm a high flyer. I studied mechanical engineering in school. I did well, but he said I would not work. What made me agree to marry him, even with that? He didn't say I will not work. He just said I will not do traditional work, but I will do work in a way that I will be a global citizen, that from the confines of my home and of our home, that I'll be able to earn in hard currencies. And this thing has worked. What was the difference? He didn't shut me down. He provided a vision for the home, okay? And this vision has helped us to run for the home. So it is your duty as a man to provide vision for your home, and these other things that are the duties of a man. So you understanding your rights, the rights and the privileges of the office you occupy as the man, you also need to understand the duties that come with this office. And one of the duties is to offer vision, which is leadership, that the wife will follow you. Submission is just about followership. But if you're not offering leadership, it will be hard for her to follow. And before you know it, she'll begin to offer this leadership, and you'll be the one following. And you see that the structure of the home will tilt, and it will not be standing on the correct position that it should stand. So who earns more is not an issue. Is that both parties, the wife and the husband, has to understand the offices they occupy, the rights and the privileges that come with these offices, and the duties of this office. And once you have chosen to marry someone, you have have chosen to make the person your president or your vice president, and you have to give them the rights and the privileges that accrue such office. Did it help you? This is one of the money mindsets that you should have in marriage. So, and this is one of the videos in our playlist in how to prepare for marriage financially. If you have questions, ask in the comments and I will respond. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share and with your friends so that they can get to learn. Thank you so much and I love you. Bye.